Hello friends, we are going to study why we are using star to delta conversion. Many times we have few circuits simply we cannot resolve into equivalent resistance. So we need to take help, and this star to delta conversion will help in a way that the circuit will be simply easy. Coming to star to delta conversion, let us assume we have three impedances Z1, Z2 and Z3. These three impedances are connected in star. Now if you want to convert into delta, means this Z12 like this we can represent here. We are not directly connecting, we are just representing here Z12, this Z13 and here this is Z23. And the value of Z12 will be equal to what? This is the formula you have to remember always. Z12 will be equal to Z1 plus Z2. If you are writing this, then Z1 plus Z2 plus Z1 Z2 upon Z3. In the same way, Z13 will be equal to Z1 plus Z3 plus Z1 Z3 upon Z2. In the same way, Z23 will be equal to Z2 plus Z3 plus Z2 Z3 upon Z1. And if the impedances value are same, means Z1 is equal to Z2 is equal to Z3 is equal to Z, then what will be the value? Z12 is equal to Z plus Z square upon Z cancel out. Z12 will be equal to 3Z. What does it means? It means when we are converting from star to delta, the impedance value will always increase. Always keep in mind, impedance value will always increase. Here I represent in terms of impedance. Now we are going to see in terms of resistance, inductance and capacitance one by one. Here we are taking three resistances R1, R2 and R3, and these three are connected in star and we are converting from star to delta correspondingly. Then what will be the value of R12? Let us remember the formula of impedance. What was the value of Z12 is equal to Z1 plus Z2 plus Z1 Z2 upon Z3. We know that in case of pure resistance, the value of Z1 will be equal to R1, the value of Z2 is equal to R2, the value of Z3 is equal to R3, and putting this value, this Z12 will be equal to R12 and R1 plus R2 plus R1 R2 upon R3. In the same way, we can write R13 is equal to R1 plus R3 plus R1 R3 upon R2, and R23 will be equal to R2 plus R3 plus R2 R3 upon R1. So here are the formula for your resistance. And if the value of R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R3 is equal to R, R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R3 is equal to R, then the value of R12 will be equal to R plus R square upon R cancel out, and the value of R12 is equal to 3 into R. In the same way as impedance, the value of resistance is also increasing 3 times when all the resistance are connected into star and when we are converting into delta. R12 is equal to R13 is equal to R23 will be equal to 3R. Here we are taking inductance values. 3 inductance L1, L2 and 3 are connected in star and we are converting into delta correspondingly L12, L23 and L13. What will be the value of L12? we are taking help of impedance. Z12 was Z1 plus Z2 plus Z1 Z2 upon Z3. We know that the value of Z1 for pure inductance will be J into XL, means J into omega L. 1. Z2 will be equal to J into XL2, and that will be coming to J into omega L2. Z3 will be equal to J into XL3, and that will be coming to J into omega into L3. Putting all this value in this equation, J omega L12 will be equal to J omega L1 plus J omega L2 plus J omega L1 into J omega L2 into divided by J omega L3. 1 J omega cancel out, and if you are be taking common, J omega L12 is equal to J omega common L1 plus L2 plus L1 L2 upon L3. Cancelling out the value of J omega, this we will be getting L12 is equal to L1 plus L2 plus L1 L2 upon L3, like resistor. This is the value of L12. We can write in the same way. L13 will be equal to L1 plus L3 plus L1 L3 upon L2. In the same way, we can write L23 value will be equal to L2 plus L3 plus L2 L3 by L1. And if the value of all the inductance is same, means L1 is equal to L2 is equal to L3 is equal to L. L1 is equal to L2 is equal to L3 is equal to L, then the value of L12 will be equal to, see from here, L plus L square by L, cancel out, L12 will be equal to 3L. It means when three same value of inductance are connected in star and we are converting into delta, then the inductance's value are increasing by 3 times. Next here we are going to consider the value of capacitance. We have 3 capacitance, C1, C2 and C3, and these are connected in a star and we are converting into delta. So what will be the value of C12? We will take help from impedance. We know that the value of Z1 will be equal to minus J into XC1, that means minus J upon omega C1. The value of Z2 will be equal to minus J upon omega C2. The value of Z3 will be equal to minus J upon omega C3. And we know the formula of star to delta conversion in terms of impedance. Z12 will be equal to Z1 plus Z2 plus Z1 Z2 upon Z3. Putting all this value, minus J upon omega C12 will be equal to minus J upon omega C1 plus minus J upon omega C2 plus minus J upon omega C1 into minus J upon omega C2, total divided by minus J upon omega C3. Here we can cut minus J upon omega, as well as minus J upon omega C12 will be equal to minus J upon omega C1 minus J upon omega C2. Here minus J upon omega C1 C2 and C3 will go above in numerator, C3 like this, and taking minus J upon omega common, minus J upon omega, if you are taking common, 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C1 C2, minus J upon omega cancel out, and we can see from here, if we are taking common C1 C2, then what we are getting, this C2 plus C1 plus C3. So here we can say that the value of C12 will be equal to C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2 plus C3. Same way, if we are writing C13 is equal to C1 C3 upon C1 plus C2 plus C3. In the same way, when we are writing C23 is equal to C2 C3 upon C1 plus C2 plus C3. We have to consider these three formula. That is very easy to remember. Now, if all the capacitance value are same, C1 is equal to C2 is equal to C3 is equal to C, then what will be the value of C12? The value of C12 will be C into C upon C plus C plus C. C12 will be C square upon 3C. C cancel out, and the C12 is coming out to be C by 3. It means the value of capacitance will decrease by 3 times. I am repeating, in case of resistor, the resistance value was increasing 3 times. In case of inductance, the value of inductance was increasing 3 times. But in case of capacitance, where all the capacitance value are same, then value of capacitance is decreasing by 3 times. Thank you.